Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how you can change your object surface in Photoshop from Lightwave to Photoshop and then back again to Lightwave. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. So remember to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I also have a Patreon page for anyone who wants to help out. I appreciate it big time. Otherwise, this is how you do it. So first up, you create your object in Lightwave like this, and then after that, you get your object, you go to save, then you say export, and you come here OBJ, and then you export your object. So you save it. So once you save it, you open up Photoshop, and then in Photoshop, I'll create a canvas size of 1920 by 1080p. So once I drop it in here, you can notice you can actually move around. You can rotate using this moving tool. You can rotate your object, and then you can also get the brush. And then as you can see, as I brush on top here, you actually notice the surface is changing. So what I've noticed is here everywhere where it's not painted, where I did not paint, it is going to be white in once I take it back to Lightwave. So you will need to paint every part. So if you want the base color to be, let's say, yellow, you have to put the yellow, and then say you want the other parts to be maybe red or whatever you want. I won't go much into painting. This is just for showing how to do this. So once I'm done with this, what I'll do is I come here on layer and say export object. Then here where it's saying format, I'll actually choose the OBJ here, and then I'll save it to a specific location, name it, and then say save. Then I will go back to Lightwave, and then once I'm in Lightwave, I'll just drag that object that I've saved and I'll put it back in Lightwave, and voila, as you can see. So sometimes what happens is you find you bring back the object from Photoshop and then it's dark. Sometimes things get messed up, so you go back to the surface editor. So you can change, if it's dark, you can change the diffuse, you bring it up to 100 or maybe 95 depending on what you want, and you change a couple of things in case there's something missing in here, or the specular, or maybe there's luminosity and all that. Another thing to note is once you actually bring back the object, like you've taken the object to Photoshop, when bringing it back, the polygon count will actually will raise up, the number will actually go up. I don't know what happens, but well, the numbers actually go up for the polygons. It actually multiplies them. That's another thing to note. So you guys can actually try it out, and maybe you can actually tag me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. I don't know whatever it will be. You guys can tag me so that I can see what you've done using this method. Well, thank you for watching my video. See you next Saturday, and bye bye.